Hey everyone, it's Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I will show you how I create a traveler's notebook layout titled Kitchen Garden. And I'll use this paper pack Sweet Delight from Rosie's Studio, and I'll be scrapping these two photos. I went ahead and prepped this page because it was a somewhat tedious process to glue the little imperfect hexagons onto the page. They were the leftover pieces from a die cut that I used on a previous page, and so I had to glue these on pretty much individually. Sometimes there is a cluster of 3 or 4. So anyway, I prepped that and left out some pieces in the background where I knew that would be covered by just photos or elements. So I also die cut or stamped just this pot with parsley. So and then with colored pencil, I colored it. So here I start with gluing down the paper pieces. I already distressed the edges using a card to do that. And so here I just put down the various paper pieces. I made this flower from one of my die cuts, and then I stamped, this is from just a garden stamp set. I stamped these little signs. But before I get to the embellishment part, I start with the other side of the page with paper strips. Again, I like to do the mirroring where I use similar elements. There are different papers, but different same elements basically, just ordered in a different way. So here I'm actually putting the circle in a different place. And on the other side cluster, it was in the back, and here it's on top of one of the papers. So this is another stamp with all just herbs listed there, and then I arrange everything. Then the photo goes down, and I want it to be tucked underneath that. And then on top of that, there's that stamp with a parsley flower pot, and I fussy cut that out and colored that with pencil. So that's that part. Here are a few more word strips that I just make on my computer, type them up, print them out on cardstock, and then I cut them. So if you want to know how I do that, there's a video available to show you, and it comes with a freebie of the file that I use to write those words. And so that's the title. This time I went with a stamped title for ease, and because it has the German U with the 2 dots on top, and that makes it difficult. I think I have any die cuts that have those dots. So here I go back to the first cluster, and I arrange these little signs that have little just stamped words of herbs on there, and I wanted to get that chalk effect, so that's what I went with. So I printed, I stamped it on black cardstock, and then here goes the flower, that little flower there, and still need to glue down the title there, and there are a few more word pieces that I need to decide where they should actually go. I end up putting them in that corner over there, and I think that finishes my page. So if you like this, consider to leave a thumbs up. I'm leaving you with a few more close-ups of this. Give it a thumbs up if you like. Consider subscribing, and I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.